Hello students, again good morning all of you. Now this is your economics class. Completed the features of statistics. Yesterday one was the point of the features of the statistics, and now the today next concept here, the importance of statistics in economics. And we know very well the statistics is a part of economics, but some importance are given here. Let's see one by one importance. Yes, the first importance here, the qualitative expression of economic problems. We know very well there are various types of the problem is found in the economics. Which type of the problem we will be study in statistics? Only that types of the problem which we can be measure or which we can count in the quantitative expression. Essential tool is a tool for economics. Problem of economic through quantitative data. No doubt problem are available or which that various type of the problem, but that type of the problem which we can measure in terms of a numerical and the quantitative expression, then we can study in the statistics, otherwise not possible. So economics is a wider concept and statistics is a part. In the economics is that is a concern with the economy, and economy that all types of problem, population problem, unemployment also, rate, death rate also, and various type disease also. So now with the help of the statistics we can measure in the quantity form, or we can provide the solution in the economics. Intersectoral and intertemporal comparison. This is second the importance of intersectoral and sectorals and intertemporal. Sectoral mean the point here that intersector, primary sector, like we can say that is a primary sector, the one is primary sector, secondary sector, and one is also tertiary sector. These are the sectors we want to study. We want to comparison how much that which sector out of this provided more employment. So for that we have need to study of statistics. Any primary sector, secondary sector, and one is also given tertiary sector. Which sector provide more employment here? Which sector provide better opportunity to the society? To be, if we want to do study, for that we have need to study of statistics. So with the help of the study we can do intersector competition. Intertemporal, temporal mean according to time wise, year to year. In the 2018, 19, 20, 2005, 2010, if we want to see the price of various types of the goods, for that we have need to study of statistics. Or in statistics we will be study one chapter, price index. That price index tell us that how much the prices of different goods has been increased. So with the help of the statistics we can help in economics. Cause and effect relation also we have completed yesterday. Set of data find cause and effect relationship. Like is in economics, we know very well the price. You know the relationship between relationship between, like is it demand and price. So who that is a tell me that what is the relationship between demand and price? We know very well, negative or inverse relationship. Negative relationship. So negative relationship show that when the prices when the prices when the prices of a particular goods is increases, then demand of their goods, that goods decreases. This show that negative relationship. Or this type of that theory or model created with the help of the statistics, but we will use in the economics. This theory in microeconomics we will be study about the demand, and about to price, or we know very well the relationship. There is a negative relationship between the demand and price. Who created, who estimated, who determined it? This is determined on the basis of statistics, and this theory created in the statistics and to the give to the economics. So we will study in economics, but that proved in the statistics. So statistics help to determine the theory and the model of demand and supply. Economic equilibrium. In the society, we want to set up the equilibrium, like is a understand behavior of the producer and the consumer market. Example, how the producer choose the combination of goods and services, input and produce to goods to maximize their profit. This type of the, there's a relationship between the two person. One is a producer and the one is a, that here producer and the consumer. When the producer and the consumer, we want to set up the equilibrium, for we have need to study of their balance of a equilibrium. Maximum, a producer want to get maximum profit and consumer want to maximum satisfaction. So when the are in the equal sense, it create the economic equilibrium. Developing economic theories like is a demand and relation in the demand and price, supply and price. So this type of the theory and the model also, theories and model also created with the help of the statistics. Forecasting करना, forecasting mean here we want to predetermine about to future. This is called forecasting. Statistical data are useful to forecast. Try to understand, dear students. Again, forecasting mean that we know that we want to know about the future, like is a finance minister, agriculture minister, many minister, they want to know about the future, how much wheat consumed or how much wheat produced by the country. So this is the forecasting. This is the information enable economists to formulate policy and suggestion to overcome the problem. You know, in the winter season, in the summer season, which type of the things the demand will be increases. For that already in that in the present time, they want to aware, they want to, they want to mean that they want to face the problem, they want to overcome the problem which is come in the future. तो दिस इज ए फोरकास्टिंग, पूर्व अनुमान लगाना, ताकि आने वाले भविष्य में जो भी प्रॉब्लम होती है उसको प्रेजेंट टाइम में ही क्या कर लिया जाता है, फेस सॉल्यूशन उसको सोल्व कर लिया जाता है. तो फोरकास्टिंग इज आल्सो पॉसिबल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द डाटा, और डाटा इज रिलेटेड विद द स्टैटिस्टिक्स. टेक केयर. फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ पॉलिसीज, नीतियों का निर्माण करना, नीतियां बनाना. विच टाइप ऑफ द पॉलिसीज related to agriculture policies, finance policies, finance minister also, the Indian government also time to time launch various types of the scheme for the BPL families also and other families also. So this type also, this type all policies only formulated on the basis of the statistics. Like is I think 2 and 3 days before, Dushyant Chautala again announced for the BPL family the free of a cost 5 kg wheat would be provided to the BPL family. So this is then this is a mean policies. This is a scheme launched by the vice mean here vice CM. So on the deputy CM. So this is a depend on the data, or data is provided here the statistics. So I want to share here the statistical data essential for mean data is possible in the statistics, or on the basis of the data the government mean minister, chief minister, they can be announced various type of the scheme. If the government want to formulate modify labor laws is also, then it will be require statistical data on working condition. Obviously labor law mean labor that they want to improve the labor wages, they want to wages they want to increase. Now at the present time is going to labor wages 8,100 rupees, but the government think that this is not sufficient for a common person or a normal person. So government can be it modify, or government can be it increase in this formulation of policies. So all thing is possible policies, mean that in economic theories also, forecasting also, planning also, equilibrium also, cause and effect also, and sectoral difference also, temporal also, quantitative also. That is possible with help of the statistics, with the help of the data. And this type of the statistic theories and policies always help in the economics, because here that is a research, statistics is a research factory, and various type of the research is going in the statistics. And when the formula proved, any formula is that proved and the final, then hand over to the economics. Clear? Like is a demand and supply, like is a producer equilibrium, consumer equilibrium, the whole chapter supply equilibrium, whole chapter will come in the microeconomics, but this is given by the statistics. So dear student, today the importance of statistics. Do prepare the question answer again of this regarding to chapter, and you do the importance of statistics in economics, and please check intersector, economic equilibrium, developing theory, forecasting, and again watch this video. If you have doubt, you can ask me, but you prepare in your fair notebook of whole thing, which is that I'm providing day by day for this lecture. Thank you, dear students.